Hello friends, I'm Monica. Welcome to Fun Gardening. Today I will talk about the care of this foxtail fern plant. It is called foxtail fern because of its beautiful fox's tail leaves, and a very beautiful plant. It is grown for its greenery and beautiful leaves. It is called foxtail fern, though it does not belong to fern family, because ferns propagate by means of spores, and this plant does not produce spores. It produces seeds and propagates by means of seeds. Small berries like fruits grow on this plant when it becomes mature, and those berries contain seeds and it is grown by those seeds. Look at the fox's tail like leaf, and this is the beauty of this plant. Lush green color of this plant attracts everybody, and it is not a heavy feeder plant. Its fertilizer requirement is very low, and the plant itself shows its requirement of fertilizer. When it requires fertilizer, its leaves become light green. That is a sign that your plant is demanding food. When we talk about the soil mixture, whenever you grow any plant in a pot, always take a well-drained soil. Always prepare a well-drained soil mixture. To make that kind of soil mixture, take 1 part of garden soil, 1 part of river sand, and 1 part of any organic manure, maybe cow dung manure or a vermicompost. Add a handful of bone meal to that and half teaspoon of any fungicide powder for 12-inch pot. And this is a perfect soil for any type of plant when you grow in a pot. And this is the soil. This is all about soil. And when we talk about the sun requirement, this plant requires 3, 4 or sometimes 5 hours of sunlight. And we can say place it in such a place in your garden where it can receive half day sunlight, and sometimes it can be grown in shade, in bright light also. In bright light, indirect bright light also it can be grown, and 3 to 4 or 5 hours of sunlight also. So can be grown in indirect sunlight or indirect sun, both conditions. And keep the soil moist. Don't overwater your plant because its roots are fleshy. They store water in that. I will show you. Their roots are fleshy, like nodules, small fleshy nodules. So they store globules, you can say. So they store water. So they don't need much water. Just keep the soil moist. That will be enough for the plant. And it's a very good plant for landscaping. And when you grow a row of these pots growing with this foxtail fern, they look very beautiful. And in landscaping, when you grow them in groups of foxtail fern at regular distances, that also creates a very good look, and can be grown in stone and rock gardens also, between the stones. And it's a very beautiful plant for hanging baskets also. As I said, it can be grown in shade also. For a few days you can keep it in shade, then for a few days in sunny area. And I'll show you how to divide it. This is the root ball. You look at the root ball. The roots are bound, and these are the globules which I were talking about. These are the nodules. They store water. They are fleshy, and they store water in that. That's why this plant requires less water. See, the roots are growing in a circle because roots are growing and there is not enough space in the pot, so they start growing in a circle. This is the when you smash the nodule, you can see water, fleshy. It is fleshy and containing water. And I have cut the root ball with the help of long knife into half, and this is the lower half portion, and these are the broken pot parts which I put on the hole. These roots have grown deeper than those stones, and they are growing in circle. I'll try to grow these globules also. Let's see they grow or not. Now this is the half root ball, and now I will divide this root ball with the help of a big knife into two portions. You can divide it in 3 or 4 portions also, but I'm going to divide it only into 2 parts because I don't want to disturb my plant. So this I'm dividing it into 2 with the help of knife, and then I'll repot these 2 portions into 2 different pots in well-drained soil. So friends, this is all about the foxtail fern. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Okay friends, bye. These are 2 parts. I'll pot them in different pots. Okay friends, bye.